Hey there, if you're on staff at a church, this spreadsheet is super helpful to keep track of your church members. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here's how it goes. First, you'll put in the church member's name, their address, their city, state, zip, and phone. And just to be careful, I'm not putting any fake personal information, but you get the gist of what we're going to be trying to put in. And then you'll put in their birth date, the date that they joined the church, if they were baptized. If not, you can just leave it blank, or if they, had a baptism date. And then choose from the drop-down box if they're single, married, or divorced. The number of children that they have, and choose from the drop-down box if they have the age of their children, and any notes as well. New to the church, wants to join small group. Anything that can help you to remember that individual person. So that's a really super easy sheet to use. It's got a room for 1,000 members. If you need to add more, you can just add, rows to the bottom. You would just highlight the area that's in the black squares, use the little blue dot, and then drag it down if you needed more members than that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do have some other church spreadsheets available on my website. I have a church budget, a church bookkeeping, and a church tithe tracker, as well as over 400 sheets at this point. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is available at savvyandthriving.com. And I hope you guys have a great day.